Okay, good morning, dear children. Once again, I welcome to the online education. Myself, Alisha Shashikant Gaikwad from Dharavi TC, Municipal English School number 1. I hope you all are fine. Okay, for today thought for the day. Education is the key that unlocks the golden door to the freedom. See, children, education is very important. It is a very important key in our life which opens all the doors. So, it is very important to take education and grow in the field of education. Okay, before starting today's lesson, I just wanted to ask you one simple question. Can you tell me what a farmer needs most for his fields? खेती के लिए, खेती अच्छी होने के लिए हमें किसकी ज्यादा जरूरत होती है? We need water to grow.
Water and seeds.
Yeah, water. We need most important water. So in your textbook there is a lesson, water in the well. So we'll see the story how it is mentioned in the textbook on page number 63. Water in the well. See, the first question it is asked in textbook itself. What a farmer needs most of his fields is good source of water. अच्छी खेती के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? ज़्यादा पानी चाहिए. You need water for the fields to grow. Now in this story there are two men, Qasim and Ahmad. Okay, there are two men who are, the story is all about them. Qasim had his eye on a well that was just outside the boundary of his field. Now this Qasim had a well, पानी का कुआं.
Yes, teacher.
पानी का कुआं. उसके पास क्या था? उसके पास था वो Qasim.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, it was with Qasim. It was his well, and that was just outside the boundary of his field. Boundary यानी खेत का जो जहाँ खत्म होता है, a diving line. Boundary means a diving line where his field was there. In there, that side, his well was there. उसका पानी का कुआं था. But Ahmad, the man who owned the well, was a crafty old man, cunning. He was a cunning. Ahmad, Qasim, near his field, he had, outside the boundary of his field, he had a well. But that well was owned by Ahmad. But Ahmad, the man who owned the well, was a crafty old man. He was a cunning old man. वो अच्छा.
Yes, teacher.
He wouldn't allow anyone to draw water from his well. He told Qasim, "Why do you come to me again and again to beg for access to well? I feel sorry to turn down your request every time. I have a suggestion for you. Collect some money and buy a whole well from me." So now that well was near Qasim's field. So he was asking again and again permission of Ahmad to take water from it, because he was in need of water and that well was very close by to his field. So he was thinking that I can take the water from. He was again and again asking permission for the well to use the water for his field. वो बार बार उसकी permission पूछने जाता था कि उसे वो पानी यूज करने मिले. So one day Ahmad told him, I feel sorry to turn down your request every time. मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता है कि बार बार तुम मुझे पूछने आते हो और मैं आपकी रिक्वेस्ट को खारिज कर दूं. I have a suggestion for you. Collect some money and buy the whole well from me. So Ahmed gave him a suggestion that you buy the well from me. Qasim thought over the suggestion and liked it. So Qasim told, बार बार वहां पर जाने से अच्छा है मैं एक बार वो कुआं खरीद लेता हूँ. Qasim thought over the suggestion and liked it. He knew Ahmed would ask for a lot of money, but he saw in his mind's eye channel of water running from the well through his field and made a decision. Now there was a channel, a long narrow ditches for water to flow. Now there are small, very, very small man-made streams in the fields from where the water goes. So बहुत ही अच्छा पानी था, इसीलिए उसने सोचा कि मैंने वो खरीद लूं. He took a decision to buy the field. Sorry, to buy the, what he wants to buy from Ahmed, the well. Qasim thought over the suggestion and liked it. He was fulfilled with the suggestion that if I take the well from him, if I buy, so I can get nice water for his fields. The next day, he went to well happily and dug out a channel. Channel means a small stream, means a long and narrow ditches to flow the water. The next day, he went to the well happily and dug out a channel. But when he began to draw water, there was a surprise in the store for him. Suddenly, Ahmed came forward. He bought the well. Now he took the well from him and gave him the money. And now the next day, he went happily and from the well, he dug out the channel to his field. But suddenly, who appeared there? Ahmed came forward and announced, "What are you doing, Qasim? How dare you touch the water in my presence?" Now he has purchased the well from Ahmed. But now again Ahmed is saying him, "What are you doing, Qasim? How dare you touch the water in my presence? What do you mean? Haven't you sold this well to me?" Now Qasim is also telling him that why you have sold this well to me, then why you saying like this? He was telling him, आप उसमें से पानी क्यों निकाल रहे हो? और कासिम उसे जवाब देता है कि तूने तो ये वेल मुझे बेच दिए, ये कुआं मुझे बेच दिया है. हाँ, I sold the well, all right, but not the water in the well. Now he is playing a game with him that, and he's telling lies to him. I sold the well, all right, but not the water in the well. अभी वो उससे बोल रहा है मैंने आपको कुआं बेचा है, कुएं का पानी नहीं बेचा है. The water still belongs to me. He's saying that the water is mine. पानी अभी भी मेरा है. You can't use it. If you need the water along with the well, you should have said no. I have a suggestion for you. Pay for the water separately and use it. You can buy fresh water every day. I don't mind. Now again he is giving him a suggestion that if you want water, you can pay for it. So you can get fresh water from the well every day. But he was surprised that Ahmed has sold his well to me. But why he is saying like this? Qasim was shocked to hear Ahmed's argument. I was so unfair, so unjust. He rushed to the Qazi. Now, Qazi means a person who takes all decisions of the village, and also some person will be there, so who takes the decision. So they went to the Qazi. Now they were argumenting. They were in the picture. You can see they are argumenting now. Why they are argumenting? That well is now in little bit problem, because he is saying that the well is mine. I have sold the well, and the water in the well is not of Qasim, it is of me. He is saying like that. Now they are argumenting with each other. Qasim was shocked to hear Ahmad's argument. He was so unfair. He is unfair, means he is not doing the honesty. He is unjust. He rushed to the Qazi and told him the story. The Qazi was a wise man. Qazi was a good man. Wise man means he is a good man. He went to him. He told Qasim to bring Ahmad to his court so that he hear both the sides of the case. Now Qazi told that you bring Ahmad also to the court. Ahmad was summoned to the court. The Qazi heard the argument patiently. Ahmad was summoned to the court. उसे कोर्ट में बुलाया गया. Ahmad was summoned to the court means he was called to the court. The Qazi heard his argument patiently. Now Qazi also heard what was the argument between both of them. So now the argument was going on and on. My lord, I am so grateful to you to understand. So, I see that you are right. What you have sold is the well. The water is all yours. Isn't that so? Qasim's heart sank. Qasim's heart sank means he was in tension now. Why? Qazi is also saying that the water is yours and the well you have sold. So Qasim was also shocked what Qazi is telling. When he heard Qazi's word, Ahmad in his heart was overjoyed. Now this Qasim was shocked and Ahmad was overjoyed that Qazi is also saying what Ahmad wants. He had never thought the Qazi would side with him. अभी उसे पता ही नहीं था कि काजी भी उसकी साइड लेगा. My lord, I am so grateful you. Understand the fine points of this case. The water does indeed belong to me. Now again Ahmad is saying that water is mine and well I have sold. The water is belonging to me. अभी भी वो कुआं मैंने बेच दिया है पर कुएं का पानी अभी भी मेरा ही है. In case that Ahmad, why are you keeping it in Qasim's well? Now Qazi was a smart man, wise, good man. So he was thinking that he asked him a question. In case that Ahmad, why are you keeping it in Qasim's well? अभी उससे एक सवाल पूछा गया कि अहमद अगर वो कुआं कासिम का है तो आपका पानी उसमें क्यों है? आप निकाल दो वो पानी. You have no right to keep your belongings in his property. अभी जो कुआं है वो उसकी प्रॉपर्टी है, उसमें आप अपना क्यों पानी रखना क्यों चाहते हो? You must remove them immediately. Qazi told him, अगर वो कुआं कासिम का है तो आपका पानी वहां से निकाल दीजिए. Or else you can pay a daily rent to Qasim. Then he will allow you to use his well. Now the Qazi makes a decision, then you can pay. अभी आप अपना पानी उस कुएं में रखने के लिए उसे पे करना चाहिए, यानी पैसे देने चाहिए, डेली रेंट. Then he will allow you to use the well. Ahmad was so confused that he did not know what to say. So Ahmad became very confused that why, how such decision became. All the people present in the court began to laugh. So they were laughing. Why they were laughing? Because the judgment was inside very confusing for Ahmed. But Qasim was a generous man. He never trembled Ahmed for the rent that was due from him. But Qasim was a generous man. He was a good man, but he never troubled Ahmed. He never troubled Ahmed. He never, as Ahmed was troubling him, Qasim did not trouble him as such. Ahmed was trying to trouble Qasim, but Qasim was a generous man, and Qazi made a proper decision. Okay, now we will just see the meaning, similar meanings. Okay, can someone read the question? Question number 1.
Yes. Find a word that is has a
Find a word that has a similar meaning. First, sorry. Second, whole. Third, happy. Fourth, unfair. Fifth, remove.
Yeah, very good, very nice. Okay, similar word. Similar word for sorry, we can use pitiful. We can use pitiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Second word is whole. Whole means full, whole thing.
Full.
Yeah. Pura cheese. Okay. Happily. Happily means khush hona. So second word for that meaning, similar meaning for it. You can give a meaning for happily, joyfully. What you can give?
Joyfully.
Unfair.
Unjust.
Unjust. Yes. Remove.
Draw.
Draw. Remove means to take out. Okay. So draw the things from, yeah. Draw means not drawing. Okay. It is a word to draw a water from a well, like that. To remove a water from a well, it means like that. Okay. Find a word that has a similar meaning means sorry, pitiful. Okay. Whole, full. Happily, joyfully.
Joyful.
Unfair, unjust. Remove, draw. Okay, you can take a screenshot of this meaning, so you can write in your notebook for your homework. Okay. Answer the following questions. Okay. What does a farmer need most for his fields? A farmer needs what? Can somebody read the question answer?
Answer the following question. What does a farmer need most for his field?
A farmer
Answer.
needs a good source of water for his field.
Yeah, what is the meaning of the question? That what does the farmer needs? Farmer को ज्यादा अपना फील्ड अच्छे से आने के लिए किसकी जरूरत होती है? A farmer needs a good source of water for his field to grow. Water for growing the. Okay, second question. Where was the well situated?
The well situated just outside the boundary of Qasim field.
Qasim's field. Where was the well? Where was the well situated? The well was situated just outside the boundary of Qasim's field. Okay. Where was the well situated? The well was situated just outside the boundary of Qasim's field. Okay, now the question number 4. What did the judge tell the Ahmed? The judge told Ahmed that he had no right to keep his belongings in Qasim's property and that it had been removed immediately, or else he would have to pay a daily rent to Qasim. only then he would allow to use the well. Okay, can someone read it?
Okay, teacher.
Yes. The
Teacher,
judge
question 5 or 6.
Question and answer, both you have to.
what
Okay.
did the judge tell?
What did
Answer. The judge told Ahmed that he had no right to keep his belongings in Kashim's properties and that it had to be removed immediately or else he would have to pay a daily rent to Kashim. Only then he would be allowed to use the water. Use the
Use
well.
the well. Very good. Now, what was the judgment done with the judge? That he was saying that Ahmad, not to keep your water in Kasim's well. If the well is of Kasim, so you will not keep your water in the well. You will remove your water from the well, and or else if you want to keep the water in the well, you have to pay to Kasim the daily rent. Okay. Now, the next question: how do we come to know that Kasim was a generous man? That
Then
Kasim was a good man, generous. He was not troubling Ahmad. How you come to know?
they say the
Despite the giving the judgment that Ahmad would have to pay a daily rent to Kasim, Kasim never troubled Ahmad for the rent that was due to him. In this way, we come to know that Kasim was a generous man. So, this type of question you have to write on your own. Why you feel that Kasim was a generous man? Okay, can someone read the question?
how
Okay, teacher. How do we come to know that Kasim was a generous man? Answer that despite the judge giving the
Despite,
judgment
yes,
would have to pay a daily rent to Kasim. Kasim never troubled Ahmed for the rent that was due to him. In this way, we come to know that Kasim was a
generous man. Yes, sure. That Kasim was a generous man because what was the judgment made by the Qazi? That Kasim will receive rent from Ahmad for keeping the water in the well. But Kasim never did that with Ahmad. Okay, so he was a generous, he was a good man. I hope you all have understood the question, the lesson, and the question answer well. Yes or no?
yes.
Okay. From some questions, I will now will see. I hope you all have taken the screenshot so that you can write for the homework in your
Yes.
notebook. Yes.
it I didn't take
Yes.
second one and third.
Those who have not taken, please take. See now the next question. What did Ahmad tell Kasim when he dug a channel and begged to draw water?
When Kasim dug the channel and began to draw water, Ahmed questioned him about
And
what he was doing and asked how he dared to touch the water in his
in
hand.
his presence. Now he was thinking that why he Kasim was taking water from the well. But when he dug the channel, Ahmad came there and he asked him how you can touch the water in the well in his presence. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Now we'll see some questions. I will ask you orally. You have to answer from the lesson which is displayed on the screen, the page which is displayed. Okay. Where was the well? Can someone tell me where
Well,
was the well?
was Ahmed field. The well was
Where was the well?
The well was near the Kasim field.
Yeah,
And
the well was just outside the boundary of the field. The well belonged to whom?
Kasim.
No, first it belonged to Ahmad. Okay, first it belonged to Ahmad. Afterwards, he sells the well to Qasim. Okay,
Okay.
who was saying that water, the well is sold, but the water is mine? Who was saying that? Who was saying that?
Ahmad said that.
Ahmad.
Ahmad was saying that. Very good. Okay. Now Qasim went whom for the judgment?
For well.
No, for where he went for the judgment? उसकी कहानी सुनाने के लिए वो किसके पास गया कासिम?
कौजी के पास.
Yes, very good. He went to Qazi.
Kazi.
Yes. Okay. Now what was the Qazi's judgment? What judgment does the Qazi give to Ahmad and Qasim? We have seen this answer.
Please tell return the question.
In case that Ahmad will, if you want to keep the water in the well, you have to pay it to Qasim. Yeah. So that judgment he gave to this. Okay. Children, do you have any doubt for this
No
lesson?
teacher.
No. Very good. You all have taken the screenshot of the lesson of the question answer.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. These are the meanings. Okay.
Yes.
These are the answers. You can take a screenshot. So for the homework, you can write in the notebook.
I take it the screenshot.
Yeah. Have you taken next one? You can take a screenshot of it so you can write it for your homework.
I take it. I take it this one also. No.
Okay.
Teacher,
So please take a screenshot so you can write it for your homework. Okay. So everybody take care of yourself. Do your homework. Wash your hands again and wear mask when you go out of the house. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.
Bye, teacher. Thank you, teacher. Stay home. Stay